Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches. Welcome to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today's video is entitled How to Say Relax in Spanish. I'm going to teach you how to pronounce this word properly in Spanish, and I'll give you a few examples, very practical examples for you to practice. And if you stick till the end of the video, you'll be able to practice your Spanish listening skills, and I have a little bonus at the end of the video. Hola, hola, hola! Bienvenidos! Welcome back to Learn Spanish World. I'm so glad to see you once again. I'm bringing you a fantastic, beautiful, relaxing word. We're going to learn how to say relax in Spanish. But before we watch this video today, please click that red button and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week. Muy bien, comencemos. You're just about to start practicing your pronunciation in Spanish. Please listen to my pronunciation carefully and repeat right after me. Watch the video once again until you memorize all these words. Relax in Spanish is relájate. 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 If the R is too strong for you, you can also say relájate. Listen, escucha. Relájate. Repeat, repite. Relájate. Let's see another example. Please, relax. Relájate, por favor. Relájate, por favor. You can also say, por favor, relájate. Por favor, relájate. Por favor, relájate. Another example. Otro ejemplo. Relax and be happy. Relájate y sé feliz. Relájate y sé feliz. Relájate y sé feliz. Don't forget to repeat after me. That will help you memorize all these words and sentences. Just relax. Solo relájate. Solo means just. Solo relájate. Repite. Solo relájate. Solo relájate. Solo relájate. Just relax. Solo relájate. Otro ejemplo. Better relax. Mejor relájate. Mejor relájate. One more time. Una vez más. Mejor relájate. Muy bien. We're going to review this word. It's a very important word that you want to keep in your memory for life. Relax. Relájate. Relájate. Repite. Relájate. Relájate. Don't forget you can also use a softer R and you can simply say relájate. Relájate. In many parts of South America, they also use that softer R. Muy bien. The time has come now for us to do some Spanish listening exercises. So are you ready? If this is too advanced for you, don't worry. It will help you to tune in your listening skills in Spanish. Muy bien, amigos. Excelente. Now we're going to practice our listening skills in Spanish. So I'm going to speak in Spanish and I need you to focus, to concentrate, to listen carefully. So as I always do, at the count of 3, we'll start talking, listening in Spanish. ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? Muy bien. 1, 2, 3. Relájate. Tranquilo. Cálmate. no es para tanto. La palabra relájate está compuesta de 1, 2, 3, 4 sílabas. Relájate. Relájate. No tiene sentido estar estresado. La vida es bonita. Relájate. Relájate aprendiendo español. El aprender español te ayuda a que te sientas bien. Relájate. Ve mis videos, escucha el español y aprende junto con el señor Brigs. Sí, ese soy yo. Relájate tocando guitarra, aprendiendo un instrumento musical. Relájate conversando con un amigo o con una amiga. Relájate enfocándote en las cosas positivas en tu vida. Relájate jugando con tu mascota. Hay muchas formas para que te puedas relajar. Relájate viendo una película o relájate escuchando música. La palabra relax en español es relájate. Relax, man. Relájate, hombre. Relájate. Calmado. Muy bien, amigos. I hope you were able to understand what I was saying. If you did not understand, that's fine. It's not the end of the world. You just gotta continue tuning in your listening skills. And with the passing of time, you will be able to enhance your vocabulary. And little by little, before you know it, you will be able to start understanding 50%, 60%, 70, 80, 90, 100% until you finally will be able to say, you know what, I mastered the language, Spanish, to a reasonable degree. And by the way, I wanted to make an announcement. I will be conducting a Spanish lesson for my VIP members. I will be publishing the news about when this will take place in the community tab. So you need to check the community tab. And if you haven't joined, it's only $2 a month, less than a cup of coffee, and you'll be able to join us for this Spanish lesson. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget that I got more than 450 videos for you to check, and we're almost 70,000 subscribers. I thank you all for your wonderful support, and I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for you. And at the same time, practice a bit of Spanish. Muy bien, amigos, take care, look after yourself, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao. Aquí está el lobo. Here's Lobo. Hello, Lobo, you're so beautiful. And a little bonus, my dear amigos. This is my dog, Lobo. Now, did you know that Lobo in Spanish means wolf? That's right, that's my black wolf, Lobo. I introduced you to my little dog the other day, Kiko, and this is my big black German Shepherd, Lobo, meaning wolf.